see where we get that. Wait. Let me. Okay. There. Let's make toothpicks. Play-doh. Let's make some 6 balls. Play-doh. Halfway there. Make balls by doing this. Two more to go. Now one more. And done. Now we have 6 toothpicks. 6 on the 6 sides of a hexagon. Nice and toothpicks. And make them like a hexagon. This. 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 This, 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 and finally one toothpick there. To make the structure stabler, we're gonna make one more ball. Ball, and then have toothpicks. Toothpicks. Place. More toothpicks. The last toothpick. Now we got a perfect hexagon. We're gonna have 6 more. 7. 3, 1, 2, 3. One more 7. First we're gonna put one in the middle. And there, okay, make 3 like this. Then we need 3 more. And then we're gonna make 3 circles. Whoop, drop one. 1, 2, and 3. Then we make a triangle of those. As we become 90 degrees. This. Turn it.
这边你把那个汗滴全部下在桌子上。
Okay. Starting. And then this. And we place it onto the looks more like an igloo entrance. And we're gonna put toothpicks on the right of it and make another ball and 2 toothpicks and make a right angle, 90 degrees. Have you learned your angles yet? Right angle is like an L shape. Then make it like this. Like a greater sign. Mouse. Then make 1 toothpick on the opposite side of the whole thing made. And then 2 more toothpicks on the left and right. There, now we need 3 circles. 1, whoops, something dropped. Got it. 2 and 3. And then put them on the toothpicks that we just laid. Like, whoops, it's very durable still because we need to let it dry. And it may break if you try to lift it. Now, all we just need is toothpicks. Connect them out. Do you see triangles? I do. Because triangles are very strong. They hold things together. A hexagon can be made from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. Interesting. Almost done. We need 1 more toothpick until it's done. 1 more toothpick. Whee! Flying out. Wow. Whoop, whoop. And then we're done. Now we just need to leave it to dry. And the finished result will be this. Thank you for watching. Bye!